Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna and I make New York City based adventure videos spiked with love and positivity. This week we're visiting Bern, Switzerland. Make sure you watch that video if you're interested in visiting the city. Today I'm going to give you a tour of Ibis Styles Bern City. This hotel is really centrally located and I'll show you the rooms, the breakfast options in the morning, and tell you what you can find around the hotel. So if you're interested in this, then please keep watching. Ibis Styles Bern City is a great hotel located only 10 to 15 minutes from city center by bus. The lobby area is quite spacious with a modern, clean feel. As part of your stay here, you'll be given free public transportation tickets to be used for unlimited travel on trams, buses, and local trains within zones 100 and 101. It also includes rides on the Marzipan funicular and the Gurten funicular, which is Bern's local mountain. Your booking confirmation acts as a valid ticket to ride from the train station or airport directly to the hotel on check-in day. Then you'll activate a digital card for the duration of your stay. On each floor, you'll find water machines providing filtered cold or room temperature water, still water, and sparkling water too. This hotel still has that just renovated smell. Don't be fooled by the industrial metallic look. The rooms are very practical, have air conditioning, the beds are comfortable, and there is a safe in the room too. A clothing rack and small black tower with shelves are the only places available for clothing storage. One problem I find in many hotels is that there are not enough hooks to hang your towels out for drying. The bathroom is located to the right just as you enter the room. So over here you'll have the sink and the shower. It's a walk-in shower like this, and it's very good. The water does not come out in here in the main sink area. And then in case you're wondering where is the toilet, well, this door over here slides. And on the other side, you'll see the toilet. This clever design concept really helps maximize the room's space. Our room's view was towards the main street, but we didn't hear any outside noise when the windows were closed. It has good soundproofing. There is also a full-length mirror in the room by the front door. Now let's leave the room and explore what's served at breakfast. Behind the front desk is this spacious area with many tables. Free coffee and tea is available throughout the day in this area. Each morning, complimentary breakfast is served. You'll find mini crepes and pastries, various types of yogurt and toppings, muesli, fruit compote, salad, cereal, fresh fruits, and cold milk. On the other side, you'll find a variety of bread, beans, steamed vegetables, scrambled eggs, bacon, boiled eggs, cheese, cold cuts, and various jams. I found this to be a hearty breakfast with plenty of options no matter what your dietary restrictions are. It's a wonderful way to start the day. Diagonally across from the hotel, you'll find a variety of restaurants and cafes. A traditional Swiss restaurant, coffee shop, Thai restaurant, and a pizzeria are all on this one block. If you're here during the weekend, keep in mind that all of these places are closed on Sundays. The Egerplatz tram and bus station is only a 2-minute walk away. This is also where you'll find the closest supermarket. Overall, I really enjoyed staying at this hotel. The convenient location, cleanliness, proximity to city center and supermarket is great, and the comfortable, quiet, air-conditioned rooms and diverse breakfast offerings made the stay even better. If you'd like to follow along on my Switzerland series as we visit Bern and 3 other cities in Switzerland, please subscribe to the channel. A full video about Geneva and Bern is already available. I'll leave these linked in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my videos when they go live on Thursday evenings. In the meantime, let's keep in touch on Instagram at Miss Anna Adventures. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in next week's video. Take care. Bye.